Hi everybody, so today I am building our duck coop. Here is my extremely professional plan for said duck coop. Notice the duck for not to scale and the other duck that is also not to scale. Basically I'm going to be building a little itty bitty coop with a shed roof. Initially I was planning on building a bigger coop that was going to be like 8 foot tall and have tons of amenities for the ducks, but then with the prohibitive, restrictive, and extortionate price of lumber, I decided against that. So I'm going to be building a smaller coop. So with that said, let's get started. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, found a tape measure. Let's get to work. Who needs measurements? These are in no way Z87 Plus approved. I'm gonna lose an eye. Another wedge. And I took off a little bit too much, but that's not that big of a deal. It's time for a camera angle change. Alright, we got all our cuts made. Let's go ahead and get the joists shaped out. Yeah, so I did my measurements off a little bit, but you can fix it. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, let's hope I don't make any more mistakes like that, but we'll see. All things considered, this bit of crappy framework didn't turn out terribly. I mean, it's pretty wobbly and disgusting, but again, I'm incompetent, so. Well, Chelsea has other stuff she wants me to work on right now, so I'm gonna go work on that. And I'll get back to this as soon as I can. Me and Chelsea got ducks today. 3 little magpie ducklings. They are the cutest little things in the world. Let's take a look at him. He's not happy about this at all. Or she. We'll find out what you are soon. Yeah, I'm gonna put you back. These guys over here are our little ducklings. They're hiding from me because they're still scared. They're today years old. They were born this morning to a very broody mother chicken hen. The people we bought them from had no idea that there were even duck eggs underneath that chicken. They opted for selling these guys, and we figured we have a brooder, we have a coop on the way, we have 10 more on the way. let's get started early. Stir just a little bit. There you go. I read an article saying that I should be handling my ducks every so often, get them used to being handled. I got pooed on a little bit. So I'm trying to do that. I'm washing my hands before and after every time I handle them to see if I can get them acquainted enough with me to stop being scared. I've been sitting with them for a couple hours a day just to get them used to me. Now we'll see if it's working. So far they still panic if I grab them, but they're also only on day 2 of life, so